Oh, look at that.
Look at my baby over there.
Baby Celine.
Yeah, you gotta wait for Mummy to come in.
Who's that?
Hello, Princess.
She's been sleeping the whole time.
Yeah.
Look at her. Isn't she lovely? You little fatty. Yeah, beautiful. Sure is. Yes. Nanny's little girl. Who's that?
And his big girl.
Nanny's big girl. Yeah. Oh, look at Nanny on the Celine.
Have a look. Gentle, honey. Have a look at baby Celine now.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Plastic. It's a plastic. Younger birds hair. Trust me everywhere. Nation, this is inspiration.
Someone is ready, all dressed up. Say good morning, anak.
Good morning
Welcome back.
to our channel.
Okay, stand up, baby. We'll show Tita and Tito your outfit for today. Oh, ay, napalayo na. Here, anak. Oh, there, stay there. Wow, that's our baby. Well, not baby anymore. Ate Paris's outfit for the day. And, nak, we'll show them your hair clip, base. So, ito yung hair clip na napili namin na i-pair sa kanyang damit today. Kasi, that is parang may blue na beige. And then, tingnan nyo ang kanyang damit. Yung belt, meron din ganyan. So, di ba? Pair. Nakaboots din siya kasi maginaw sa labas, guys.
Going to Nan and Pa's.
Where are we going?
Nan and Pa.
Nan and Pa?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you excited? Yeah, you haven't seen them for a long time, yeah? No?
Yes.
Why is that?
Because Daddy said there's no filming people.
Yeah, there's illness floating around. And what's the name of the sickness?
COVID.
COVID, that's right, yeah. So that's why we didn't go visit them because we're on lockdown. The police closed everything.
But and now we're going now.
We're going now because they open again. Oh, I love your bag too.
Tito Jamie's open, and that's why we're gonna go.
Yeah, Tito Jamie is always open.
Yeah, he always open up.
Yeah. Tito Jamie owns the
Coffee.
coffee shop. That's right. Hala, nasan anak? You have to tie that again.
Okay.
Have a look at the ribbon.
It's alright.
That's alright. And our baby Celine is here.
But can you
Let's-
help
let me move.
Can you help me to fix it up?
What is it now?
Can you fix it up?
Yeah, mommy will fix it shortly, okay? Cause see, I've got baby Celine
Yes.
here.
Chippy's sleeping.
Yeah, she's sleeping. She just had a didi. So I'm holding baby Celine, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Nilagyan ko ng headband. But she is currently sleeping kasi kakadidi lang niya.
Mommy, Daddy's outside checking the car.
Oh, okay. Alright. Shall we go now?
Yeah.
I'm super, ewan ko guys, I'm super excited ha. Kasi first time na makikita ni Nani tsaka ni Papa yung ating baby Celine. So, very first time na meeting nila and ako yung na-excite. Kasi alam ko na sobrang excited sila na ma-meet itong ating baby girl. And I'm very happy na yesterday nilift nila yung restriction so we can go over there now. Makakapagbiyahe tayo ng medyo malayo. And also makakabisita tayo sa bahay ng ating loved ones. So super glad about that one. And nakapag-lipstick si mami nyo ngayon. Why not? Ayan. Mukhang, ewan ko, ang pangit ng shade. Parang maputla ako tingnan. Anyways, first time kong makapag-lipstick guys for the longest time. You know it. Kung nanonood kayo ng videos ko, sobrang tagal ko nang hindi talaga nag-makeup, Kasi, uy, wala, tingnan nyo ang ating baby girl. Siya na, ginamit niya ang ng tatay niya. Iba talaga ito si Paris.
I want to see you a little closer.
Okay, a little closer. It's so cool.
It's really funny.
Fashionista talaga to siya eh. Ayan. So, yeah, Daddy Mike is outside now. Lalagay ko lang to siya sa sasakyan and then we'll go make the move. Kasi, tingnan nyo sa labas, guys. Yesterday, it was a very nice day. Sobrang warm talaga. It was 27, I think. I think it was 27 degrees. And ngayon, it's back to 14 or 15. So, yes, Melbourne. That's Melbourne. So, there you go. Ooh.
Sorry, Mommy.
It's alright, my love. Pick that up.
Hi.
We'll do the cleaning later on, guys, pagka uwi namin. But yeah, for now, just excited to go see Nani and Papa. Come on, let's go. Nilapag ko muna ang ating baby girl, guys, kasi hindi pa nakaano yung pants ko. Hindi pa nakabutones ba. So, pakita ko rin sa inyo yung outfit natin quickly. So, ito yung ating shirt. And then, nag-jeans. Ayan. So, maginaw kasi sa labas. So, nag-jeans si mami niyo. And then, flats lang tayo. Nakakaya ng aking kuko. Uy, sobra. Wala na talagang linis pa.
I wanna go now.
Yeah, we will go now, okay? We'll go now. So, ito yung ating princess nilapag ko. Shush, tumilim. Ayan. What did you say, Nak? What did you say? Put baby Celine in?
Okay. Okay.
Put baby Celine in my arms?
Yes.
So?
So I can go.
Shush, ang bata na maliit. Daddy Mike andun, oh. Naghihintay. Alright, let's go, honey.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, time check tayo. It's now 1:30 ng hapon and kakapark lang namin dito sa South Melbourne. So, bumili si Daddy Mike ng kanyang hot drinks as always. Binilhan niya rin ako. Hot chocolate. Ayan. And also, nandito kami kasi may kikitain ako dito and hopefully hindi niya ako i-enginein, no? So, may nabenta na naman tayong bag sa online. And then, dito yung meet-up place namin dito sa South Melbourne. And hopefully, she'll come. 1:30 yung namin. 1:30 yung usapan ba? Pero wala pa namang text message or chat na So, I don't know. Hintay-hintay lang ako ng konti dito, guys. Kung enginein niya ako, oh, well. Andyan ang ating baby girl, oh. Kakausapin daw niya ako.
Yummy.
What is it, my love?
She wanted to talk to you.
Do you love it?
I got a coffee too.
Oh, yes. Because you're a big
How's your
girl.
hot chocolate?
Because you're a big girl. That's why.
How's your hot chocolate, Mommy? Have you tried it yet?
Not yet.
What's that?
Not bad.
Huh?
Not the best.
Paris likes it.
It's not the best.
Mommy,
The one yesterday was the best, no?
She likes this one, doesn't? You like this one?
I like these.
Oh, you like that one? Oh,
Do you like this
yeah.
one more than Tito Jamie's?
Jump.
Tito Jamie will cry. Parents, why do you say that? Ang ating baby ka lang yan. Tulog na tulog, oh. We just parked outside. Ate Paris sabi niya, very excited. What did you say, Nak? You're very excited? You haven't seen Nana and Pa for, what? Since July? Since July?
No.
Wow. It was so long. Ang ating baby girl ay tulog pa, guys. Seriously, that was the longest time. Natulog yan siya. Pagising-gising konti, pero hindi siya umiyak. So, we're at the front door talaga. Tingnan nyo. Front door talaga. So, it's 3:42 ng hapon. And it's been raining. As you can see. So, Daddy stopped at the shop before. Binilhan niya ako ng, ayan. Is this sour milk, Daddy?
And it's just purple milk. It's just purple.
Purple?
Yeah, purple milk.
It's sour milk tea. What have you got there, Paris?
Also juice.
It's a juice.
Mommy. I actually have a lizard.
What is it?
A lizard.
A lizard?
Yeah, this one. This one. This is a lizard right here. See, it's
It's cutie.
Ready?
Dito kami sa front door, guys, para madiretso si Celine. Baka umuulan kasi. Do you think they didn't hear us? For sure, yeah. If none heard us, she'll be at the front door. In a heartbeat. Let's go. Yocha.
It's purple drink.
Want to try?
No thanks.
Sure.
No,
Why not?
I don't want it. I'd rather have it.
That's I will come in.
Will you sit there?
I was telling them we'll just come in.
Okay. Andiyan na pala siya sa front door, guys.
Push my feet up.
Tulog na tulog.
Let me.
Excited na excited yan si Ate Paris kasi sobrang tagal na lang hindi nagkita. Nalabas na ako, guys, ha?
Good.
I'm not happy you're going to Queen.
Hi, Nan! How are you? Hi! Good to see you again. Oh my God!
Mr. Paris.
Oh, thank you.
Paris, the baby.
Oh, yes, I'm gonna take her in.
Oh, love and kindness there. And that's for Paris.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Nan.
Yeah.
Sure, we're gold.
Hi, Pa.
How are you, sweetheart? Nice to see you.
Yes, good to see you again.
I've missed you.
Yeah. Do you really?
Yeah, of course I do. You're a special
I'm
girl.
gonna take the baby in.
Oh, look at my baby. Oh, look. Oh, look at her.
Look at my baby over there.
Baby Celine.
Yeah, you've got to wait for Mummy to come
I
in.
don't mind it.
Susan, don't stand in the doorway.
Daddy's close the door.
That's what he is.
Who is that?
Hello, Princess.
She's been sleeping the whole time.
Look at her. Isn't she lovely? You little fatty. Yeah, beautiful.
Sure is.
Oh, you're beautiful.
Oh, you'd scare anybody.
Oh, you think so scary.
Not scary, he's just a baby.
Yeah.
Hello, my love.
Now?
Hello, little parrot.
There you go.
Oh, that's lovely. That Paris give me all this
I'm
space.
Celine.
Celine.
Yeah, can you see Nani?
You see Nanny?
There's a big one. There's a big girl, Celine.
Celine.
Yeah.
Tall.
Hi.
Celine, she's smiling. Look.
Yeah. Boo, boo. The other one needs attention too.
I want to try and stick with this.
Oh, Nanny not getting Nanny. Oh,
I want to try
parrot.
and stick
Oh, you're gonna have that Nanny.
I'll hide it and you find it.
You find
Oh, yours.
it and Daddy eyes.
Pushing? Are you pushing?
Yeah,
I'll hide it.
pushing.
You've got to stop here with me. Till your daddy
You
out.
gotta
Your
give
daddy
both
out.
attention,
Come here.
don't you?
Yeah.
We can play a
I
little.
get that.
Come here.
Yes.
Yay. Say hi, Nani.
Hello, Celine.
You're
Say hello, Nana. It's good to meet you. Finally meet you.
Yeah. It's been a long time. Yes, it has.
Not yet.
Yes.
Too early. Not too quick.
Yes.
You've got to
You
count.
can find it
A
now.
long
Go find it.
time. We finally meet you. Yeah.
Yeah. Soon there'll be two of them running around.
It will. It
Yes.
will. Yes. And we'll have to give, now we've still got to give you both attention, don't we?
Yeah, the other one wants.
Yes.
Is that?
Yes, little girl. Yes. Nanny's little girl.
Who's that?
Penny's big girl.
Yes. Nanny's big girl. Yeah.
Go sit with Nana and I'll have a look.
Oh, look at Nanny holding Celine.
Have a look. Gentle, honey. Have a look at baby Celine now. Yay! Nana's.
He's really got a poop right here.
Yeah, she scratched.
Yeah,
She scratched her nose.
scratched.
Do you love your sister?
Yes.
You do, don't you?
Good girl.
Beautiful.
Good
She's
girl.
heavy, isn't she?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Daddy didn't find her. Daddy didn't find the dress.
You heavy?
Daddy, you didn't find it.
What's that, darling girl?
I haven't found it. I'm still looking.
You're still looking, Daddy.
You ready?
Ate Paris and Papa's noisy, na? They're playing.
They're
Did
playing.
you win that
They're
time?
playing.
Playing food.
All
She's
right.
looking at me.
You ready?
I'm
Looking at
here.
Mama.
I'm here.
Here's Mama.
Oh,
She
Who's
likes
holding
to
you?
where Mama is.
She's following the voice.
She does, yes.
Who's holding you? Celine?
Nana.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
She's strong.
Go.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Plastic. It's a plastic. Younger birds my hair. Trust me everywhere. Nice inspiration.
Happy jump off.
Come on, Bobby. Not yet. We're not finished yet. Come on, Bobby. Let's go party.
Yeah.
Come on, Bobby. Let's go party.
I'm a Barbie. Yes, a Barbie.
I'm having.
So much fun.
Oh,
Good
that's
job.
very good. Nanny,
Way.
Nanny can't clap because I'm holding Celine. But that was the clap.
My dad's obsessed with her jumping.
Yes.
My dad's obsessed with her jumping.
oh yeah.
Like he thinks that she's got like really good form.
Oh, yeah.
He's like, he goes, I've been watching it. He goes,
Yeah.
she just does it like really perfectly. I don't know. Like he goes, because like
Isn't that
her
lovely?
takeoff positions, like
Oh
in the
yeah.
squat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please, one. Wee.
Can you show me one more big jump?
Give it to mommy, baby.
We're right here.
How is your dad, Michael?
Yeah, he's good.
That's good.
Show us one more big jump. Okay, do it that way, and then you gotta land on your feet, okay?
Oh, look at this.
And up over.
No, you won't fall over because you got good
Oh,
balance.
Nanny not taking any notes of Celine.
Okay, hold on. All right, I want you to do a best jump.
Oh, look.
That's a good one, but you didn't land on your feet.
That's good. Right, sweetie.
Are you stopping here tonight? Are you stopping here
Are you
tonight?
stopping here tonight?
Are you sleeping here tonight?
You sleepy?
You sleeping with Mummy and Daddy? Or are you sleeping with Nanny and Pa?
You can come here too.
Okay, you're dictating the terms? Yeah, you're telling us what we can do.
If I stay here, mommy and daddy stays here too, and maybe Celine. Is that right?
That right?
I'm gonna come here too.
Oh,
And then Pa too.
Yeah, because it's their house.
No, that's wrong, right? Well, let's just have a big beast.
A big what?
Big.
big ass.
A big
A
beast.
big
Big beast.
feast.
No, the beast.
The beach.
Beach.
What is it?
Beast.
Bees.
No.
Beach.
No, like the one with the beast.
Ah, the beast.
Oh, the beast.
The Beauty and the Beast. Okay.
Mommy,
Are you saying that Papa is the Beast?
No.
No.
We'll have a big zebra beast.
Okay.
We'll have it and then plus.
Yeah.
Are you Belle?
Yes, I'm Belle.
Oh, Belle.
You're not.
Can I have my fork, Mum?
You're Papa the pig.
Oh, no.
Okay.
You're not, are you?
You're Papa the pig.
Better go.
Yeah, no. I'm gonna get the Diana makeup.
Oh, you
I
don't
like,
do.
I like makeup too.
Oh, my goodness.
What do you like, Harris? Do you like every toy?
Yes.
All the toys in the world.
That's good. You're a real natural little girl.
That toy will make me really happy.
You're a special
Makes you very happy.
Of course, the toy makes you really happy.
Thank you, Paris.
Sometimes, like, she just gets the iPad out and then just look at like Target.com and just looks at all the toys they sell.
Oh my goodness. I got you gingerbread. Oh, Nanny's got to give you something too. Got to give Mummy something for you. I want to give it to you now, Jodie.
Alright.
Yeah, that's fine. But yeah, we'll tell her not to eat until
Time to go home.
it's time to go home.
Yes.
Yes, one woman gets his car and money.
Oh.
And my ginger too.
Oh, you
She's making sure that we're not leaving anything
That's
out.
right.
Yes, I'll be really sad when you got this.
Yeah,
And my day brother for me and another one.
and you don't wanna.
And another
Stay there. We're not going.
Dinala na niya. Grabe ka patak-patak din natong baby Paris. Anak,
Jodie,
have a look what Nan got you, Nak.
look at Nanny got your parents. Chips to take home.
pet.
Oh, look, Nanny got them special for you. I was in Coles, it's not
Daddy,
done
Daddy,
there.
give me like a knife, Debbie.
Nanny give you
chippies.
them chippies.
I'll get that to him too.
Oh, honey, what do you say, honey? You
Thank
don't-
you.
Oh, good girl.
I give Nani a cuddle and kiss because she gave you Chippy.
Give me a big cuddle. Oh, I love you. So much. Don't I? Mum, little
We just heard this. Oh,
baby.
She said that Daddy bought me the gingerbread. I'm not gonna leave it here.
Oh, that's lovely. She's had a good time, haven't they?
Yeah, always have a good time every time she comes.
oh, like this.
It's been good, the baby.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
carry this. Oh,
Oh, you're going to carry it? You want Nanny to carry it?
and I'll bring this home.
Oh, you're going to take it home?
Yes, cause
Nanny take it?
yeah, so you
Yeah.
Where's
Oh, I got
Where's
your
Celine's card?
Oh, you dropped your money.
what?
What's that money?
Where's Celine's card now?
And I give it to Mummy? Nanny give the money to Mummy?
Baba, where did you put Celine's card?
I don't know.
Oh,
Maybe you dropped it now. Have a look.
I thought it was over there. No,
Yeah,
it's
here.
not. It's
There,
not.
nako. There. Because you went near the front door.
What about the money?
Oh, just put it there, Nan. It's okay.
Paris?
Thank you, Nan. Thanks
Yes,
for that.
That's all right, sweetheart. I'll put in there so it won't blow out.
Wait a minute.
You got the card?
Where's the card now?
The daddy and Papa got it.
Oh, na. Patakan na. Oh, you're blaming pa again.
That's funny.
I'm gonna bring the blue tag too.
Oh, we're going to get blue tag.
Now, can you put the camera in the bag as well, na?
Yeah, rain in.
Paris, Nicole, can you please put the camera in the bag as well?
I'll see.
Please?
See the card for you.
Thank you, sweetheart.
It's very heavy.
Is it?
Yeah, it's heavy.
Thank you.
Daddy not in it.
The little one sleeping.
Oh, look at her sleeping. God love her.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bless her.
Hmm.
Beautiful, bless her. She's beautiful. And we love the scene too, don't we?
Do you love Nan and Pa?
You love Nanny and Pa?
Yes, I would have got so much fun.
Oh, lovely.
I really had so much fun.
That's good.
That's good.
We love you having fun.
Yes,
Do you love coming here?
You love coming here, do you?
yes.
Yeah, because you have fun.
Why do you love coming to Nani and Pa?
Cause I love you.
Oh, that's lovely.
You love them?
Yes, I like them.
Nanny loves you and Papa loves you too so much,
Yes,
don't we? So much.
Aren't you lucky, Paris?
yes, really lucky.
Yeah, really lucky.
Why do I have my shoes?
Oh, you have to put your boots on. Yeah. I think your boots here, nako.
There, sweetheart.
Do you know how to put it on?
Does she know?
A pair of rays.
See, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
She knows she put her
Yes.
shoes on now, but I don't know about these boots.
I couldn't put his shoe on the other day.
Oh, there you go. I think she's going in the right
Yeah,
direction.
that's it. Because of his legs. And he said, can you come and do me laser? And I thought, oh no.
Who was it, nah?
I had to do Parcel
Oh.
laser. And my face when I got up was as red as anything. I couldn't hardly breathe, bending down. I thought to myself, they said I was going to get better when I had the valves done, but I still get red in the face and puffed.
Well
Only when
done.
I bend down.
Yeah, no, of course, because you use a lot of energy.
It's right.
Ready?
Well done, sweetheart.
Oh,
Good girl. Such a big girl.
She's a big
Oh, can you dance like the like to Nanny before we go home?
Oh, that's really lovely.
Come on, dance it. I go a special day. That song.
Special day, and every day, and every day. I love you. I'm the special day. I love you.
Oh, lovely. Really nice.
I'm gonna make
Yeah.
one of rings.
Yeah. Oh,
You gonna freeze Nanny?
you gonna freeze me again?
Okay, it's your turn.
You said you freeze Nanny.
Freeze. Oh. I'll bring you back. Oh, you're back.
I'm gonna turn you to freeze.
No, Nanny only. Nanny. Freeze Nanny.
Oh,
Oh no.
I'm ready for that.
I'm back.
Your turn.
Oh, freeze. Oh. Oh my goodness. I have to bring you back. Oh, you're back.
I'm back.
Paris is back.
I'm a member. Stop.
You back?
Crazy. Stop laughing.
What is that?
Stop laughing.
Why?
I don't want you to laugh. I don't want you to laugh.
You keep freezing Nanny.
Freeze. Freeze, freeze, not good.
See, Nanny. You have to unfreeze sometimes.
No.
You have to unfreeze sometimes. Okay. You have to unfreeze sometimes, not all freeze.
Freeze. Freeze.
Oh my goodness.
Back yet?
Oh my god, Paris. When Pa comes in, you freeze Pa, okay? See if he freezes for you. Wait until he comes in. You wait until he comes in. Unfreeze Nanny first. Anak, you have to unfreeze Nanny first. Paris, do it here. Do it here.
Your daddy said the witch is coming tonight. Hang on, I'm going to go hit your daddy on the head to tell us that.
Go.
The witch isn't
I
coming
think he's in the
tonight.
toilet.
Oh, is
Are
he?
you sure your
I
mummy
asked him, did he
didn't
get
tell
the card?
No, he's in coming.
Yes, it might have been your mummy told you.
Did you freeze, Poppy?
Papa said Corilla's not coming.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm not sure about that.
No. Did you
How about you freeze Pa?
You freeze,
Come on,
Pa.
freeze Pa.
Freeze.
freeze, Pa? Nanny freezed.
That Pa freeze?
Pa freeze.
Half freezed. Half
No, unfreeze na Pa.
Freeze.
Unfreeze now.
You
Freeze.
freeze, Pa.
Bring him back.
Bring him back.
Freeze. Freeze.
Is he back?
Abracadabra, yabba dabba doo. There's Paris, the moo cow. Is that right?
Oh, golly.
Come on, let me hear the moo cow. Not like that. You gotta go moo, moo, moo.
Can't talk.
Because she frees her.
Abracadabra, yabba-dabba, spells off. No longer that spell on. All right?
I'm Kentucky again.
How about you freeze pa?
He's very fast.
Hello. Can you say hello?
And I know what you're getting for Christmas.
I'm getting.
Because no, I've got it wrote down in a book.
I'm gonna get the
Yeah,
yellow
what's
dog.
it?
No,
I
no.
reckons, I reckons it's fringe as deep as like Corella's coming. She
Yeah,
comes when
yes.
it's dark. Come on.
It does.
I don't want.
Have you got all this stuff? What about you? You had so much fun.
Praise me, and I couldn't come back.
Oh
And
yeah.
I
Have
couldn't
you
come
have you
back.
had
You
your
got a
cake?
magic one trick.
Yeah.
Have you, where's your
Nan couldn't stop
gingerbread
laughing,
cake?
Bob. Because she's like, freeze, 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 freeze.
Abracadabra do.
No, she just freeze Nan the whole time.
Then it's holding in it.
Yeah.
Is your cake underneath that table?
No.
Didn't ya? You had fun, didn't ya?
Where's your cake?
Oi.
Gingerbread cake.
She'll be saying it the whole time
Yes, sweetheart.
on our way home. Nan she'll be saying, you know, like I had so much fun and all that.
That's
She always say that.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you
that's
got
right.
it. That's all right.
That's good.
So Ate Paris is going to open the card from Nanny and Papa for baby Celine. Why are you opening it, Nak? Because?
Because they're still baby.
That's right. She can't open yet. Okay, open it. Show mommy. What's inside?
It's an elephant.
Oh, we'll read the card. Can you read? Can you read the card to baby Celine?
Whoa, it's an elephant.
Elephant. What does it say? A baby girl.
And that's actually a
Oh, now have a look. What fell down? What is that?
money.
Wow! Congratulations! Ooh, baby Celine has already got $100. Say thank you, Nanny and Papa. What does it say?
What happened?
What's up on the time? What does it say now?
You come from Papa. I play with Pop and show her baby for over 11 inches.
Oh wow! Beautiful reading, Ate Paris. Baby, hang on, baby. Let Mama read, baby. Open. Wishing you all the. Hang on, Nak. Don't move it, Nak. Give it to me, baby. Hang on, Mama will read. Wishing you all the sweet little joys of parenting. Congratulations, Michael, Jovey, Paris, Celine. Lots of love, Nanpa. A very special family. That's so sweet. That's for you.
That if you have one bite.
That's for you, honey. That card is for you. Say thank you, Nanny and Pa.
Ready, guys?
Thank you, Nanny and Papa.